A V A cassava. Palm oil. P A L M O I L palm oil. Vegetable oil. V E G E T A B L E O I L vegetable oil. The market is a fun place full of fresh foods that help us stay strong and healthy. Thank you for watching. See you in our next video, and don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment.